Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the essentials, then act. Check Windows 11 build and GPU model so you download the right Nvidia driver. Once done, download the latest Nvidia driver package and the display driver uninstaller tool into a folder you control. Make sure Windows Update is paused temporarily to avoid auto-install conflicts. Reboot into safe mode using settings or Shift plus restart, because you'll need a clean environment to remove old drivers thoroughly before installing the new package. Now you'll remove legacy files and reinstall properly. In safe mode, select GPU, then choose Clean and Restart. This removes stubborn driver remnants. After rebooting normally, launch the Nvidia installer and pick Custom Install, checking Clean Install to reset profiles and settings. Follow through with the display driver installation, then reboot again. Once Windows is back, open Nvidia Control Panel or Settings display to verify options are present. If options still hide, proceed to the next deeper troubleshooting stage. Finish by confirming Nvidia services are running, open services. MSC and set Nvidia Display Container LS and related services to automatic, then start them. Make sure Windows is up to date, and if needed, update your motherboard BIOS and chipset drivers because those can block display APIs. Reinstall the Nvidia Control Panel from Microsoft Store if missing. If things still go wrong, roll back to a previous driver or create a clean Windows user profile to isolate settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.